My video guide is about getting rid of the adware type program that is called ElementryCheck. ElementryCheck is a rogue app that our researchers discovered during a routine inspection of new submissions to the VirusTotal database. Upon analyzing this sort of program, we determined that ElementryCheck functions as a typical adware. Additionally, we also found out that this particular software is the part of the adload malware or adware family. After successful installation into our test machine, ElementryCheck started showing a lot of advertisements on the screen. It is pertinent to mention that advertising supported software may require certain conditions to be met, for instance, compatible device or browser specifications, or even some geographical locations, in order to run intrusive advertisement campaigns. However, even if in your case ElementryCheck doesn't deliver any ads, it doesn't mean that its presence on the system is harmless. So first thing we recommend you to do is to check your available applications in your Mac computer. In case you find this ElementryCheck, you should right-click on it and move it to the trash. So, after you have successfully deleted it from your computer, of course, don't hesitate to check other programs, other software. If you detect something suspicious here on the list, be sure to right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, I would also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly remain on your Mac computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com. By the way, there is a version for Mac computers and for Windows computers. Use this green download tool to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. After it is successfully downloaded, start the program and begin researching your system. Click on Start Combo Scan button. By the way, I forgot to mention that initially the program is in the trial mode. Nevertheless, there are certain free features which you can always enjoy for free. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even with these free features, you'll be able to essentially optimize your Mac computer and make it function much faster. Furthermore, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect all other threats which could be possibly hidden on your computer, and it will also help you to fix browser-related issues. The scanning by Combo Cleaner might take several minutes. Then at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. And of course, some of these threats you could remove manually, even though we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete all these threats automatically and to have your system always protected in the future.